BoilerBot's an open source cooking robot that consists of a hot plate, a temperature sensor, and a linear motion system to lower and raise a strainer out of the water. First thing you need to do is set a temperature to cook at, which can be boiling or lower, and set a time, and then make sure the temperature sensor is actually in the water. Then you add your food to the strainer. BoilerBot's going to heat the water to the set temperature and then lower the food into the hot water. When the food's in the water, it'll start the timer. And then raise the food out of the water when the timer expires. At this point, you can lift the strainer off of its holder and enjoy your food.